Welcome back, guys. So if you are new to ChatGPT, all you have to do is to create a ChatGPT account. Just type create ChatGPT account on Google and you will follow the processes to create a ChatGPT account. Just type something like this. But I feel like ChatGPT is popular that almost all tech services have an account. But if you don't have an account, it's very easy. Just create an account with your Gmail and yeah, you're going to have access to this dashboard. So here I want to use this to create the About Us page. So I'm just going to prompt it. I'm going to say I want to create an About Us page on Google Blogger. I need a code template for creating a stunning and good looking page for Blood Tech Academy blog. So I'm going to have this prompted. So this is a prompt. I'm going to have that prompted so it gives us a code. So it gives us a simple code, and here's the code right here. So I'm going to come back to my Google Blogger. So yes, I'm going to come back to my Google Blogger, and here I have a code. So yes, we have a code right here and it's looking great. So all I have to do is come back to my Google Blogger and try to edit this page. So I'm going to try to edit the page, and here we have everything about the page. So right here I'm going to change this to an HTML view instead of compose view. I'm going to change to an HTML view and I'll be able to paste the code that I just generated. Yes, I'm going to be able to paste this code right now. So I'm going to paste this code. So right now what I want to do now is to paste this code. I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to use Control A to copy it. I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to come back to my Blogger to paste that. So I use this ChatGPT to create that. So I'm going to paste it right here, and having to paste it, yes, I have the code pasted. So let's see what we have. So I'm going to go to my compose view and I'll be able to see what I have right now. So I'll come to my HTML view again, and here we have everything, and yes, so I'm going to update it. So let me see if the code works or not. So I'm going to refresh this. And here we are. So it worked. The code worked actually. So I'm going to come to my compose view. I'm going to switch to my compose view and see what we have. I couldn't see it right here, but if you look at it from here, you see that what we just did worked. So you could edit all these from the code. As you could see, you see the founder, meet our team and all that. So this is the About Us page and it's working quite alright right now. So all I have to do is I have to edit from here. So if you're not familiar with HTML code, don't worry, it's just as simple as you locate all the text. So from this code, all these blue, green, red, just omit them. Anywhere you see blue, green, red, omit them. But all you want to do now is to locate the tests. As you could see, here is this About Us Blood Tech Academy. Let's look for that. So we have About Us. So what I want to do now, I could just remove that. The title right now is Blood. So we're going to leave all this edge. Everything in this edge should be left for now. Just leave everything in between this edge. But now let's go to the body. So the body has About Us. So this is it right here. This is About Us you are seeing right here. So I'll remove that easily. I'll remove that. Instead of having that, this would come in place of that. I'll say welcome to Blood Tech Academy will be in the H1, which is the header tag. So I'm just going to paste that. This will be in the H1. Then the paragraph could come in. So let's see what we have. So this About Us will be changed, and welcome to Blood Tech Academy. So right now I'll have to check what we have right now. So I have the edit right here, so I have to update it. So I'll update it right now, and you see this will change. The year to change, this will be welcome to Blood Tech Academy. and employ technology enthusiasts. So if you're not familiar with HTML, don't worry, just locate the text. All I have to do is to refresh this. I'll refresh this and you see that we have welcome to Black Tech Academy. So all I have to do now is to make sure it's just Black Tech Academy because it's looking so attached right now. So all I have to do is to change it to Black Tech Academy. So I'm going to update that. So let me have that update and refresh it. So let's see if it looks great. Yes, it looks great right now. So our mission, you could change it if you want to change the text. You could see from here, you see our mission right here. You could change whatever is here. You could change everything in between here. So that's just it. You locate the text, and I told you everything in between the edge. This edge, just leave them. These are the design layouts of what you are seeing right now, this page you are seeing right now. Just leave them. If you don't understand it, just leave them and come back here to just make major edits of the text and everything. So here you see the founding member, which is the meet our team. After the what we offer, our mission, you see meet our team, and you have love that HAB. So here is the name, so you have the team and everything. But if I feel like I don't need the team session, all I have to do is to remove this session. I'm going to remove everything in this session. I'm going to remove it right now. So this part, leave the body, just everything's in between the body. So I'm going to just have that deleted, and I'm going to update this, and having to update this will disappear. All we have is the about us, which have the mission and what we offer. So I'm going to just update that. So yes, let's have that updated, and now have this refresh. And having to have this refresh, you'll see that the what we offer and everything is right here, but the team is not there anymore. So I'm just going to refresh this page and see what we have so far. So we are good to go. So we have all this so far, and yes, these are our page so far. So that's something about page, and you could do more of this. So we could see that we have all this. So right here in ChatGPT, I could say I don't want. Yes, I could come to say, so I could come to say I don't want. I've come to say, okay, okay, what I want to do now, I want to refine this code. So I could just copy the code, or copy the whole code. Yes, I'll copy the whole code. Copy, I would say refine this for me. I would say refine this for me to respond where with Google Blogger. So I'll paste the major edits with Google Blogger. So I'm just going to paste this, and I'm going to have it sent. So it's as simple as that. I'm going to have it sent, and we're going to have it refined. And having to have it refined, all I have to do is to paste it. So yes, I just have it refined, and here we are. So yes, let's see what we have so far. And I would say remove everything regarding the team member. Yes, so let's say, okay, let's now ask, I'll say remove everything regarding the team member. Add services instead. So yes, let's have that. So we have more codes, and that will be refined. So let's wait for it to do the major edit. As you can see, it's editing it right now. So I'll wait for it to do the major edit, and I'll wait for the edit to be done, so I could copy it and have it pasted right here in Google Blogger, and we're going to see what we have. So far so good. We are doing the about us page, and we're using the help of ChatGPT to achieve that. So we could have something we could work with. So right here is the about us page. So I'm doing some major edits. I'll come back and wait for that. And yes, this has been replaced. So yes, let's copy the code. Let's copy the full code right now. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come to my Google Blogger, and I'm going to change all the codes. Yes, I'm going to update that. I'm having to update that. I'm going to see what it looks like right now. All I have to do is to refresh this, and yes, I just have this refreshed. As you can see, this is looking so great right now. This is looking so great, and we have the different cards that shows our services, and we have web development, and yeah. At the very end, you could insert a contact us kind of thing. So I could just ask ChatGPT to complete that for us. I could say insert a CTA in the code that links people to my WhatsApp. So yes, let's have something like this. So I'm going to have something like this. So yes, let's have this sense. So yes, let's see what is going to be. So a CTA will be included, which would be, so I've added a contact us session with a call to action. So yes, let's copy that. So we have a contact, this is right here. So I'm going to copy this. So that will be the last thing in between the body. So I'm going to copy this right now. And having to copy it, I'm going to come back to my Google Blogger to make that change. So that will be in between the bodies. So right now, let's just do the edit from here. So this will be in between the body. I'm going to put it in between this body. So let's see where it's going to fall into. Yes, it's going to fall into somewhere like this. I'm going to just put it somewhere here. I'm going to Control V this. Yes, just Control V that, and I'm going to have that updated. So let's see what the update looks like. Let me refresh the About Us page and see what that would look like. Here we have a perfect chat with us, and the About Us page is looking so great. I love this for this. I love this for this blog. And here we have the chat with us, and you could easily click on it and it takes you to the WhatsApp, but the page is not found. So how do you link that? So coming back to the page, you will see your w.me. So you add your WhatsApp number here. So I'm going to just input my WhatsApp number here, and all I have to do that is to add 08 081 07 01 2806, and that will be my WhatsApp number. So I'm going to just update it, and let's see if that has been adjusted. I'm going to refresh this page and try to see if that has been adjusted. So I'll click on chat with us and continue to chat, and truly to take it to my WhatsApp right now. So you could see it's going to take it to my WhatsApp straight up, and there we have it. So this is what we've been looking for, and yeah, we've done that. We've achieved that with ChatGPT, and we are good to go. So you could edit the services if you feel like these services does not suit any of the service you want to offer on your blog. So you're just going to do some major edit, and it's going to do that for you. So right here we have a good blog, and we are good to go, and it's mobile responsive. If you check it out, it's going to be mobile responsive and it looks so great. So here we have that, and it's looking so great so far. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.